Welcome back, fellow hackers and cyber warriors, to yet another thrilling episode of Hack the Matrix. Today, we have an exhilarating topic lined up for you: the world of programming languages for cybersecurity professionals. Whether you're just starting out or a seasoned hacker, understanding the fundamentals of programming is absolutely vital in this field. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. But before we dive into the exciting world of programming languages, let's take a moment to clarify what they actually are. In simple terms, programming languages are powerful sets of instructions that allow us to communicate with computers. They serve as our tools for creating software, developing applications, and executing a wide range of tasks. In the realm of cybersecurity, having a deep understanding of the right programming language can empower you to identify vulnerabilities, exploit weaknesses, and fortify defenses. So, let's embark on a journey to explore some of the key programming languages that are extensively used in the field of cybersecurity. First up on our list is the immensely popular and versatile Python. Known for its simplicity and readability, Python offers a vast collection of libraries and frameworks that are a boon for cybersecurity professionals. With Python, you can automate tasks, analyze data, and even construct powerful tools specifically designed for penetration testing and vulnerability assessments. Its user-friendly syntax and extensive support make Python an indispensable language in the cybersecurity arsenal. Next, let's pay homage to the veteran language that has been standing strong for decades: C. C is a low-level programming language that grants direct access to a computer's memory. Though it might appear somewhat complex at first, mastering C can prove to be incredibly advantageous for cybersecurity professionals. With C, you can develop highly efficient and potent exploits, meticulously analyze malware, and gain an in-depth understanding of low-level vulnerabilities. A significant portion of the tools and frameworks employed in cybersecurity are built using C, highlighting its paramount importance in the field. Now, let's shift our focus to a language that has surged in popularity over recent years: JavaScript. Originally renowned for its usage in web development, JavaScript has also found its way into the realm of cybersecurity. Leveraging JavaScript, you can execute client-side attacks, exploit vulnerabilities within web applications, and manipulate websites for the purpose of testing their security. Acquiring proficiency in JavaScript will grant you insights into how attacks such as cross-site scripting, XSS, and clickjacking operate, thereby enhancing your capabilities as a cybersecurity professional. Lastly, we can't overlook the dominant language of the web: HTML and CSS. Although HTML and CSS may not be traditional programming languages per se, they serve as the backbone of web development. Proficiency in HTML and CSS is crucial for identifying and exploiting web vulnerabilities, including infamous ones like SQL injection and remote file inclusion. By carefully examining the source code and skillfully manipulating various elements, cybersecurity professionals can successfully uncover weaknesses and fortify web security. Remember, the programming languages we've discussed today are just a glimpse into the vast landscape of options available in cybersecurity. There are numerous other languages worth exploring, such as Java, Ruby, and PowerShell. The key is to choose the languages that align with your goals and interests, enabling you to unlock your full potential in the world of cybersecurity. That concludes today's enlightening episode on the basics of programming languages for cybersecurity professionals. We hope you found this information to be both valuable and insightful. Remember to continually practice coding, experiment with different languages, and most importantly, stay curious. In our next video, we'll delve even deeper into the specific use cases of these languages within real-world hacking scenarios. So, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated and not miss out on any of our thrilling content. Thank you for tuning in to Hack the Matrix. Until we meet again, keep coding and stay one step ahead in the never-ending quest for digital security.